una ng hapon pagkatapos ng balita tanghali. At pag Sabado, 12:45 ng hapon. Miyaka, what do you have?
Thanks, Sir. Ito nga si Coach Shaq, sabi niya nagtatry daw siya maging patient sa kanyang team dahil nga daw 5 ang rookie sa kanyang kupunan ngayon. Pero sabi niya at the end of the day, it's not gonna be an excuse. Hindi daw sila naglalaro according to their advantage, which is speed. At ang sabi niya nga sa kanyang mga players na the reason why they joined itong Shakey's B-League is for them to master consistency. Pero sabi niya, hindi natin magagawa yun kung hindi tayo naglalaro according to our advantage. Balik sa inyo, 7 Mozzie.
Thanks very much. And I think may nanggugulong basketball coach nun, ha? Si Bert Flores.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, gusto ko siyang marinig mag-coach sa volleyball eh. Ano lang, tingnan lang natin.
Bert is the all-around utility athletic man ng FEU. Does a little of everything and has been very faithful to the school.
Oh yes,
through the years.
very much.
Has won a championship in the basketball tournament for FEU also.
Well, FEU now 5 attack points so far. Philippine Air Force having 6.
9-6 ang ating bilang. And De Ramos, siya po ang in charge sa serve. C.
Oh, good dig, De Ramos.
Defensive
What do you
player of
think
the
that
game
well?
siya. Huli. And then Ortiz, this is the sight you didn't like to see from USD. Pag inikutan ka ni Ortiz at saka ngumisi siya sa kabila. Boy, just yung superiority nila nun, ano? You will love to hate them if yung kalabang ka eh.
Yung pag laging sinasabi yan eh, yung sa UST na sila Ans Tabakero, yung lagi nakasmile, nakatawa. Hindi mo alam kung iniinis ba yung kalaban o... Pero that's just the way they play. In fact,
release ng tension ng
alam na
point.
nga, di ba tayo, alam na nga natin kung maganda ilalaro o hindi.
Nako,
Magingisi, alam mo nang maganda ilalaro.
Tsaka pagka yung baba nung rhythm, ano, talagang alam mo, yung Mikasa official ball of the Shakey's B-League hindi magtatagal ay nako. Walang kabuhay-buhay sa UST pag alam natin wala sila sa group. Cases.
A little bit late on the coverage.
Disappointed siya, no? Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Alam mo si Joy, and I don't discuss anatomy as often, but you look at those thighs, ano? It's meant for jumping eh. Yung
parang runner, pang-athletic.
Pang-triathlon yan eh, di ba? If she decided to become a triathlete, she...
But the strides niya, look at her strides.
Look at that, di ba?
Very long and graceful.
Back row
Just
by
like a gazelle.
Oh, no? Joy Cases, parang yung the way Lydia De Vega was cut before. I know Stephanie doesn't like being compared to her mom. Ibang body figure naman ni Stephanie eh.
Yep.
Ooh, into the net. Pero ito si Cases, sprinter strides eh.
Kaya nga hindi siya pwede yung mabababang open set. Kasi she needs those strides eh.
Kundi masikip eh. Masikip eh. Hindi,
to gather, tapos i-gather niya tsaka siya makakatalo ng mataas.
Ni Setter, hindi po ako pansulok. Pang-tarmac po ito.
Oo.
Nice gallop by Simborio. Caballero, off speed, nice pickup. Atienza. Nagkagulo. Sorry, that's bagang. Oo nga.
So, hindi pa naman tumigil. Tumigil na yung Air Force dun sa depensa.
Hindi pa patay yung bola, no?
Oo, and so, FEU gets the point. So far, Giselle C. having 19 excellent sets. Si Semana having 22.
FEU is in the thick of things. Bumibitaw lang sa dulo, ano? Caballero, huli! And Casas is out of position.
Total close out on the side of FEU.
Alam mo, naramdam ko yun sa mga volleyball players. No? They're there, but they are a foot away. Nakakainis nga naman.
Ganda na ng serve.
Ganda talaga niya mag-serve. That ricochet, Caballero's version, out. And that's brushed against the block.
Palma now 2 block points at 8 attack points.
Scoring well. Ito naman si Rhea de Maculangan ang magsaserve. Ito si Rhea din, hindi siya yung maarte mag-set. Pero pag ngumisi talaga, mag-turn around yan. She has a mind game playing all of her own actually. Semana showing us such versatility today.
And Ito yung sinasabi mo, yung effectiveness ni Sir Rhea de Maculangan, hindi as flashy, you're right, but gets the job done.
Saka, ang percentage, yung excellent serves niya, yung ganda ng bigay niya, piyesta talaga yung players ng UST nung araw dyan sa babaeng yan. Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. It's got to be Shakey's. Huli ka. Simpleng block.
Alam na nila na kay Palma mapupunta yung set na yon. Sa Kapalyeho, inabangan na.
Gusto ko magbasa ng net si Ortiz. That's the underrated part of her game, actually. Listening time.
Wala, ayaw lang gamitin doon yung mga natutunan. Ginagamit yan pagdating ng game. Ha? Sige. Save lang, ha? Stop lang dyan sa, ano. Salamat. Pinitin nyo, at saka i-enjoy nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Ha? Kaya ba yan? Tulong-tulong lang. Sige, kaya ba?
Umawi na kayo habang may chance pa.
Take a look at that last play.
Well read.
Si Caballero pala nakakuha.
Yes, well read by Caballejo.
I think si Palma naman, nung nakita rin si Ortiz sa Caballero, nagtatlong isip eh. Naku, ito na.
Sinubukan mag-down the line.
Alam mo, in that split second, spikers can see who's blocking. Trust me on that. You can see actually the kind of person about to block you.
And doon mo makikita ang quick reaction ng isang tao. Yung nakaka-adjust dun sa palo. Kasi may mga, parang gift yan eh, na pag nakita mo, blocker to, ililihis ng konti, o kaya gagamitin yung
Wawalis
blocker.
ko,
o
yung tutusok ko, off-speed ko.
Nakakaisip pa, while nandun ka na sa ere. Well, Caballero, 11 points so far. Casas and Ortiz with 8 each. Sa kabila naman, Basis and Palma, 10 apiece. Simborio with 4.
We'll talk about those players who can adjust quickly in just a short while after the technical ceasefire.
Ito ang Shakey's Billy.